Hi everybody, Levi Clay here, and just for fun I've busted out my Paisley Telecaster. I'm going to teach you a cool little country guitar lick inspired by some of the content in my last book, Country Guitar Soloing Techniques. Check that out on Amazon now. So this lick in particular actually comes from a recent mashup video that I did where I took Brent Mason's Hot Wired song and played it as though the rhythm section were playing 8-string metal. It's fun, it creates a cool kind of juxtaposition which made me giggle. And that's what my videos are about, right? Entertaining myself. So yeah, when it came to taking the guitar solo, I was improvising solos. I wanted something that was very much going to still be country guitar, despite the fact the band weren't playing country. And, well, the result sounds like this. So while I'm sure we can all agree that that's not really country music, it's still clearly influenced by country guitar. I'm using the country vernacular vocabulary in order to improvise in a metal setting and create this funny juxtaposition. And ultimately, yeah, as I say, my videos are about entertaining myself, and that entertained me. So what am I doing here? Well, the concept is simple. I'm thinking of an A chord, and I'm using vocabulary that outlines that sound. In country music, if you're presented with an A chord, you're probably going to use notes of the Mixolydian scale or major pentatonic or whatever, but I'm thinking strictly in terms of the harmony. So the lick begins up here at the 12th fret area, which is around that C shape of the cage system. And I begin with this cool little pedal steel bend. Sounds like this. Biggest cliche in country music, right? So that's me bending the 12th fret up to the 14th, hitting the 12th on the high E, re-picking the bend, picking the 10th fret on the high E, re-picking, releasing, and then ending on the root. Now this sounds like an A chord because I'm thinking of harmony as I'm doing it. This note that I'm bending, it's not just a random note. I'm bending the second, B, up to the up to the third of A. So that's the major third of A, and this is the fifth of A. So these two notes sound like an A chord. I then continue with that motif and play this bend. Now if you look at what's going on there, that's me bending the 8th fret up a tone, that's the flat 7 bending up to the root, and then I'm hitting the C sharp, the major third on the high E string. So again, these notes sound like an A chord. Releasing that top string note and playing the 5th fret on the high E, 7th fret on the high E. That's the first half of the lick. Sounds very much like an A chord. And as I said, it's me kind of thinking the C shape of the cage system. Moving down to that D shape. Obviously I'll go into the subject of cage considerably more in my book than I will do in this short little YouTube video. So that's the first part. Then from there we've got a series of descending sixths on the D and B strings. So I'm sliding up on the D string with my pick to 11, the 11th fret, and then I use my index finger to pluck the B string for all of these. And it's staccato, so I kill that note. I think that sounds cool, rather than going... Bit of palm mute on that D string as well. So the notes that are played are 11 and 10 on the D and B. That moves down a tone to 9 and 8, 7 and 7, 5 and 5, 4 and 3, and then you're here, 2 and 2 in that open A position. And again, in terms of cage knowledge, I'm thinking C shape, transitioning to that D shape. Now I'm in the E shape. Now I'm in that open A form or the G shape, depending on your perspective. So So that's the sixth bar. And then from there I have this descending. So that's hitting the second fret. This is very much that G shape of the cage system, A major pentatonic. So I'm hitting that second fret B, picking the third fret, pulling off, then coming down 4 and 2 on the G, 4 on the D, and then back up to the G string, 4-2, 4-2 on the D, hitting the third fret of the A string, sliding up, and then ending on that high A note, or the root note. So again, that's a sixth there. So this lick sounds like an A chord. Bit faster. Carried away. So yeah, in essence, that is the lick. And that's a mentality with which I apply to improvising over any sort of chord changes. I'm always trying to play the sound of the chord rather than just thinking to myself, okay, Mixolydian works here. That doesn't, to my ears, doesn't sound like A. That could be, you know, D major. So this kind of perspective of thinking of chords as their own thing and harmony and outlining. Gives you that sound of A. So hopefully that was of interest to you, and if you have any questions about that, please do hit me up in the comments section below. Lastly, I would like to extend a huge debt of gratitude to these people over here. These are my patrons over on patreon.com. They support me at, well, various different tiers, and if you would like to support this channel, you can go and check me out on patreon.com. You can also, of course, support the channel just by buying a copy of my book, my latest book, Country Guitar Soloing Techniques, linked below to pick that up on Amazon. Get it in Kindle form, get it in paperback, that one is totally up to you. But yeah, these people, huge thanks to these people, because they help the channel to keep going. Their financial contributions mean that I can spend money on nice things like microphones and plugins to get better audio quality, and I've got lots of things that I'm spending money on at the moment to improve videos, and yeah, these people are a huge help in that. So thank you so much for all the support, guys. It really does mean a lot. If you would like to be like those awesome people, you can go and check us out by clicking this button up here. Join us actually for as little as $1. Gets you access to my private patron-only Facebook group. Lots of transcription challenges and the like going on in there. Good place for discussion. You can subscribe by clicking this button down here. Check out 2 more of my videos here and here. Thank you for all of the support, guys. Pleasure to serve, and I'll be back for another video soon. Bye.